Hey, come on, let's go. Let's all go to the Cowboy Jack show.
Whoa! Do you guys see what that is? Look at this guy. Look at this guy. This is my buddy Buc-ee Beaver. He's a statue of a real beaver. How fun is that? Let's see if you... Oh, he almost got me. All right, let's go playing around and go inside. All right, we're here at the Texas Roundup. That's where they make all their barbecue and Buc-ees. Let's go check it out. Wow, there's a lot to see. Oh, look who it is, my buddy
Cowboy Jack, what's up, my friend?
Randy.
How are you?
Awesome, great to see you.
I heard you're coming to make the ultimate brisket sandwich.
You're gonna let me make a brisket sandwich?
Let's do this. Are you ready? Okay.
Let's go.
Here it goes. Hold on. We got it. Before you get started, we're gonna have to apron you up.
All
We're
right.
gonna want to dirty up the outfit.
I wouldn't want to get barbecue sauce on it.
Yeah.
Check that out. It's got a Buc-ee Beaver right on the front of it. How cool is that? Do I look official?
All right. You ready?
I'm ready.
Hold on. You gotta have gloves. You gotta glove up.
All right. Gotta have gloves. I can't go touching anything with my dirty hands. I got gloves. Let me put them on.
Wait a minute. Before we do that, did you wash your hands? Gotta wash your hands. Give me those back.
So many rules. All right. Sorry, Randy.
All right.
Look,
You know
I got my
what? You gotta soak up for at least 20 seconds. You can sing the birthday song if you like. That's about 20 seconds.
I don't know if I want to sing the birthday song. Let's just count. Keep counting. All right, is that clean?
Looking good. Looking good. All right. So now, you said set of gloves. You handle that, right?
I can put on gloves. I've done it before.
Awesome.
Maybe. All right. Now I got my gloves on. Is that good?
Let's go.
All right.
So meet Chandler.
Hi, Chandler. I'm Cowboy Jack.
Nice to meet you.
All right. What are we doing today?
We're gonna chop a brisket.
I'm gonna chop a brisket. That's gonna be really cool.
All right. So first thing we do is put the brisket on the board.
All right.
Hold on. Here we go. Chandler, you ready?
We got fresh brisket on the board.
Fresh brisket on the board. Wait a minute, put it back in the drawer. You didn't holler fresh brisket on the board.
I'm sorry. It's my first
Okay.
day.
I know, we got you. Okay, ready? We're gonna do it all over again. Ready, Chandler? Let's do this.
We got fresh brisket on the board.
Fresh brisket on the board. All right, now we're ready to break it down. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, well, I hate to tell you, knives are sharp, so we're gonna have to leave it to a professional or an adult.
All right. Well, I guess I'll sit this one out. Wow, come take a look at that. She looks like she knows what she's doing.
So she's breaking down a brisket right now. And what she's gonna do is she's gonna actually slice it in little slips so she can look for fat. Fat is flavor. We want a little bit of fat, but not too much.
Okay. And I think that's actually called the flat, right?
Exactly, that's the flat, and this right here is the point. So that's the lean part of the brisket, and that's the moist.
This guy knows his meats.
We got fresh chopped brisket on the board.
Fresh chopped brisket on the board. Oh, look at that. Now you see why we didn't put a knife in your hand?
Yeah, that looks kind of dangerous.
A bit dangerous.
I think I need some training before I can do that.
For sure.
Wow, you chopped up that brisket in no time. That looks really tasty. You guys see the steam coming off of it? That's because it's so fresh, it just came out of the smoker. Wow, what are you doing now?
I'm gonna put barbecue sauce in it to make it our chopped brisket.
Oh, cool, I'll grab the sauce.
It's really, really hot though.
Oh.
I would suggest adding barbecue.
I can't grab the sauce either because it's really hot, so she's gonna do it for us.
We got fresh sauce on the board.
Fresh sauce on the board.
That's so fun, they have a saying for everything. You gotta yell it out real loud.
Just enough sauce right there. Watch this. Now comes the mixing.
Wow, that sauce is getting all over every single piece of meat. I bet it's gonna be really, really tasty. That's cool.
Nice.
We're gonna get to see how to make a brisket sandwich. Have you ever made a brisket sandwich before? I haven't, so I'm gonna learn how today.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right. So we take a nice healthy scoop, okay? You put it right there on the top.
Wow, that's a big scoop.
Oh yeah, we want to make sure we fill that bun up. We lay that there. Now, I got one for you. Ready?
I'm ready.
Do you know how to wrap a brisket sandwich?
I think I can fake it.
We'll leave that to our professionals. We got one right here.
Okay. All right. Yeah. I mean, I can't mess with knives. I can't mess with hot stuff. I don't really want to try to wrap up something that I've never wrapped up before. But we got professionals here to do it for us.
So Kaylee's right here. She's going to show us how to do it. So she's going to take this and wrap this sandwich up. And I just figured out what you can do. Are you
can I
ready?
do? Yeah.
I got it. Watch this. This is going to be so great.
All right.
So I want you to come over here to this little computer
All right.
and click Chop Brisket Sandwich.
Oh,
Click one. Right there. Print label.
hey, I know how to print a label. What do we do now? Just stick it on there?
You're going to take it right here. You're going to go here and just wrap it on there.
All right. Watch. I'm going to put the sticker on it.
And then you're going to slide it right on over here.
Look. Hey, I made a brisket sandwich. All right.
Great job.
Woo! That was a lot of fun. Hey, thanks, Randy. I appreciate you having us
Oh,
today.
it's our pleasure. Come back anytime.
All right, thanks a lot. All right, guys, well, we've had so much fun here today. I made a brisket, well, okay, I didn't make the brisket sandwich. Somebody made it for us. But I did put the sticker on it, and it was really cool. Well, it's starting to rain out here, so we're gonna take off. But I'm so glad we got to hang out here at Buc-ee's today. And I hope to see you again real soon. But until then, yeah!